To remove background from any images, let's see some examples out here. For example, if you see these elements, they don't have a background of their own. We have attached some background similar to it. If you see here, you can see these models, fashion models, celebrities. Again, they have this PNG image and we have made a perfect background for them and then we have put this. So how to use images with no background? For this, we'll use a tool called Remove.bg. I'll go and upload some image. Let's search some image from Google. Let's say this. I'm downloading this image. I can take any images, whichever I feel. And we go to remove.bg. Just drag and drop this file or upload it. So if you see, this was the original image and this is the one which is with no background, and you download it. With this is a single image which you can use, and also you can use some more images. Let's try to use some images of groups. For instance, I have took some images. Let's say when I want to create some different graphics with some different backgrounds. So this is the one which was clicked, and if you see this, after removing this background, the wall is being removed, and then I can use it on any other background. We'll also try and use these images for a better idea. I'll also use one group image. So if you see this group image, now all these are different elements. I'll download it, and howsoever I want to use it, I can use it. Also, I can go and edit. If you go and edit, you can choose that, okay, what background you want, what background you don't want, and you can go to this erase and restore. And then let's say if I want to restore this area, I can go and let's say I can erase this area particularly. Right now we are on erase, so I'll just erase this. Let's say I just wanted one image out of these. I just wanted this image out of these. So what I'll do is I'll go and erase all the elements. This is helpful when the elements are not very close to each other. For example, if you see this image, then these are very close to each other. If I remove this, even this would be removed. So that doesn't make sense. It's only when you have a good space in and around. And if you want to restore, you go and restore whatever you want to restore. But in this case, when I'm restoring, even the sky is getting restored. So again, if I want to restore, I'll have to go back and remove.bg. So that's how you can use it and then download it. So this is one way of removing backgrounds. Another way of removing backgrounds is with Photoshop. I go to File, I go to Open. I'll open that particular image. I go to this eraser tool and go to this magic eraser tool, and I just click it here. So what this tool does is it detects all the colors which are of same frequency and removes it. Now, if you see, I've removed this, but then if you see, there is not much of fineness out here. If you see this, there's not much fineness out of here. So that's why we use Remove.bg for images in which we need more clarity. And the elements, for example, let's see another image. Now we had also seen one more image which had a similar background. Say, for example, this. Now, right now, if you see, it's removing the colors which are together. All I have to change is the tolerance out here. Let's say I change this tolerance to 50. Now you see, a lot of areas from this is also removed because of being of same color, these colors being same. So I'll have to play with the tolerance and then work on it. So I'll have to every time change the tolerance and then I can work accordingly. Though there are more methods in Photoshop of removing backgrounds, but this is one such more method that you directly go to this magic eraser tool and just erase that particular color which you don't want. So it will automatically detect what colors are of same, and then it will get it removed. Now, to use those images which we had done Remove.bg, let's say I go to Canva. We'll just see how to place them. even in Photoshop and even on Canva. Say I'll just take an Instagram post for instance. So if you see this, let's say if we want to create some banner like this, firstly I'll upload the images which I had already done Remove.bg. Let's say all these 3 images. Now I can use some particular background and write a text. Also I can use some template out here. Let's say I'm just using this template and I'll just want to put the picture. And here maybe I want to put that offer. Though this is a paid template, I can change it later on. I'll just change it to something else. I'm just choosing this color as of now. And I'll put that picture. So let's say maybe I can take the text here. I can take the image here and scale it. And possibly put the offer as well. Let's see. We can design the way we want. So it's just about that how would you use such images so that you can use your own background and take that particular image. Similarly, we are also choosing this. So how we can use this. So that's how Remove.bg works, and we can have our own backgrounds and work on it. If I want some different background on it, some sky background, anything I can choose.